SeaRAM. SeaRAM is an autonomous surface-to-air missile system capable of effectively defending ships against supersonic and subsonic missiles. It's based on a similar RAM system jointly developed by the US, Germany, and Denmark. The first SeaRAM complex was installed in 2008. By 2013, all US Independence-class ships have been equipped with this system. Today, it can be found all over the world. For example, in the Saudi Arabian Navy. It uses 2- and 3-coordinate radar stations to detect targets and guide missiles. During the missile's flight, an autopilot, dual-mode homing head, and fast reaction system come into play. SeaRAM is equipped with 11 missiles featuring remarkable maneuverability, accuracy, and a long range of up to 6.2 miles. Spike SR. The next invention we'll talk about is a short-range multi-purpose anti-tank missile system. It was developed by Eurospike. It consists of a launcher, a transport and launch container, and a rocket. Spike SR is designed to neutralize armored vehicles, even if they are equipped with reactive armor. The system's also capable of knocking out fortifications and destroying enemy troops. All of this at a distance of up to a mile, at any time of day, and in any visibility conditions. One of the most important advantages of Spike SR is its mobility and relatively small size. The unit weighs about 22 pounds, so it can be carried by one person. Thus, immediately after firing a missile, the operator can change their position on the battlefield, increasing their chances of survival. AJAX. The next armoured vehicle we'll discuss is rightly considered the future of the British Army. It's also one of Britain's most important defence programmes, as AJAX is the latest and most advanced family of armoured vehicles in the country right now. AJAX has the best level of protection and survivability in its class, all for effective reconnaissance, surveillance, and fire control in all weather conditions. It's also ideal for detecting and identifying targets. Interesting features include surplus payload capacity and an open electronic architecture. This allows it to adapt to a wide range of missions and demonstrate great potential to neutralize a variety of threats. To date, the British Army has received 589 of these vehicles in 6 different models. Deliveries will continue until 2025. M61 Vulcan. We would like to mention an even deadlier weapon, the M61 Vulcan 6-barrel rotary cannon. It's an American development dating back to the end of World War II. It's been used on many US aircraft since 1959, for example on the A-7 attack aircraft, the AH-1 attack helicopter, and the F-14, F-15, F-16, and F-18 fighter jets. Each cannon, depending on the specific model, weighs from 202 to 248 pounds. It reaches over 6 feet in length. The rate of fire varies from 6,000 to 6,600 rounds per minute. The muzzle velocity is 3,450 feet per second, and the effective firing range is 2,000 feet. CENTAURO II. This Italian-wheeled armoured fighting vehicle is a modification of the classic Centauro, produced since 1991. It was officially introduced in 2016. The chassis was taken from the Freccia armoured personnel carrier, but the vehicle received a new armoured hull and a new 720 horsepower diesel engine. An aluminium armoured turret with composite ballistic protection was developed specifically for this model. 3 people are responsible for its operation: the commander, the gunner, and the loader. Other outstanding features include a 120 45mm smoothbore gun with high ballistic efficiency. Specially developed for the gun was a 120mm armor-piercing subcaliber projectile, capable of penetrating 23 inches of homogeneous steel armor from a distance of about 1.8 miles. Milkor M32. This semi-automatic grenade launcher was introduced back in 1983, but it still deserves our attention. It was manufactured in the Republic of South Africa. However, they are used all over the world, from Croatia and Bulgaria to China and the US. The design consists of a lightweight, progressively rifled steel barrel, sight assembly, frame with firing mechanism, spring-actuated revolving cylinder magazine, and a folding stock. One of the main advantages of the weapon is its versatility. The grenade launcher can fire virtually any NATO standard low-velocity ammunition. A variety of rounds such as HE, heat, anti-riot baton, irritant, and pyrotechnic can be loaded and fired. The rate of fire is 18 to 21 rounds per minute, and the maximum range is 440 yards. The USS Zumwalt. This futuristic ship you see on your screen is a destroyer designed by the US to attack coastal and land targets. It entered service in 2016. Its main weapons are the Mk41 launcher for Tomahawk cruise missiles and several artillery systems. The unusual hull shape was not chosen by accident. The beveled flat surfaces reflect enemy radar signals. The sharp edge of the bow is also a strong reflector of radio waves. All in all, thanks to modern stealth systems, the specialists have managed to reduce the radar cross-section of the ship by up to 50 times. The ship has a displacement of more than 15,000 tons, which leads us to the following conclusion. The Zumwalt is one of the largest modern combat ships in the world. BAE Systems APKWS. One of the main requirements for missiles in service today is controllability, which automatically puts even the coolest unguided missiles in low demand. However, British specialists at BAE Systems have come up with a way to solve this problem. The APKWS is a laser-guided missile system that's been developed for the Hydra 70 missile, an unguided but highly effective munition. The improved rocket has laser sensors as well as rotary wing platforms, which increases maneuverability and allows precise guidance. The upgrade process is not particularly complicated. The standard missile is disassembled into two parts, the warhead and the rocket motor. The APKWS system is located between them like a new module. The Rheinmetall Natter 762. The next military vehicle we'll discuss is a combat module that was originally designed to be mounted on trucks. For this reason, it is a compact and relatively lightweight construction for roofs, with a permissible load of less than 231 pounds. The Natter 762 is a quick way to modify any vehicle significantly. It's equipped with a Flex-Eye day and night vision system. Even in poor visibility conditions, it's capable of locating several targets at once. Flexibility is an added advantage. The design is modular and allows the integration of a wide variety of mounting kits to accommodate a variety of automatic weapon calibers. The manufacturer is the German company Rheinmetall AG. Tavor X95. Today's last weapon is an Israeli-made assault rifle. The Tavor X95 has been manufactured since 2009, and it's used by more than 14 different countries around the world. It's based on the Tavor TAR-21 assault rifle, which has been tested and used in many countries around the world. However, it incorporates some improvements and refinements that give the rifle great tactical flexibility and maneuverability. Today, the rifle is offered with 3 different forends. Thus, the rate of fire ranges from 750 to 950 rounds per minute. The most commonly used ammunition with this rifle is the 223 Remington, 300 AAC Blackout, and 545 by 39mm. Hey, stop being lazy, it's time to use that brain of yours. Welcome to Brain Time. Incredible facts from the past, the present, and even the future. the power of nature and wild animals, amazing facts and unsolved mysteries. You'll find all this and much more here. Subscribe now, you won't regret it.